Hey guys, what's up? Back at it again with another video. Today we will be going through my coursework bill split that bill. So I hope you can see my screen. And when you open up the website, you're greeted with a welcome page, a login page, try to get in. So let's start off by doing a test and logging into a random account. So I'll type in a random email, random username and password. And first of all, it'll tell us that the email actually has to be an email address. By that, enter an email address field. And so we put in .gmail.com, try. And obviously this account doesn't exist, so we're greeted with, please check your login details and try again. So now let's go in and create an account. So I've already created some dummy accounts, but let's create one called y@gmail.com. Username y, password has to be, if I do 2 little characters, if I do 3 characters, or 2 characters, it will tell us it has to be at least 5. So let's just do A, B, C, D, E, and let's register. That's all fine and done. But if we try to register with an account that already exists, so I've already created one for myself, zane@gmail.com. Username, even if we get the username completely wrong, then my actual username is zanem, and get the password wrong as well, it'll tell us this email already exists. Go to the login page. So we can't register again with the same email. So let's go sign in now. So let's sign into my account, zane@gmail.com, Zane, password Zane1. Let's log in. And we're greeted with a customized homepage which says Zane M's house bills. And let's go add a new bill to our list. So petrol bill. And let's add it. And we'll get a flash message telling us that the bill has been added to the bill name list. So we go down to the bill name list. We can see at the bottom, we have petrol bill. And I've already got a couple of people in database, a@gmail.com. So let's send them a petrol bill for £120. And I have the ability to be able to customize the percentage share that everyone gets. So we can split it evenly amongst anyone. And so let's put the percentage share as 200. Obviously that is impossible as percentages have to add up to 100. So let's see what happens. We get a flash message that says share percentages are greater than 100. And what if we do an email that doesn't exist in our database, i.e. the user just doesn't exist? If we choose a bill, choose a total, and do it less than 100, so 15, and click add, it'll say user does not exist, cannot split bill with them. So nice, we've got the error checking done. And so let's actually send off a proper bill to people. So let's just do water bill, 120, 10%. And if I click add housemate, I have JQueryed it. So it keeps on adding the HTML for it. And I can delete housemates. And it all does it without refreshing. And the nice thing about adding a housemate is that it's fixed on water bill. I can't select a different bill to the one I've already selected. And the total is immutable. It's read only. And so let's put in another valid email address, and let's give B a 20% share. And all I have to do is click add, and I will get in our bill list, water bill, total 120, my share 84. A@gmail.com has not paid their £12, B hasn't paid their £24, and Zane, which is me, hasn't paid my £84. And so I've AJAXed it so I can update, completed, not completed, and even delete without refreshing the page. So let's put it as completed. And if I do refresh the page, I can see that it goes pink to show that I've paid the bill. And then I can log out and pretend to be a@gmail.com for a second. So if I sign into A, B, C, D, E, and log in, I can see a flash message that says new bill from zane@gmail.com. And if we scroll down, we see the bill, we see Zane is paid because it's pink and it says zane@gmail.com has paid £84. And we can update A's to make that pink as well. And then if we log out and log into b@gmail.com to complete this bill, A, B, C, D, E, log in, we can see new bill from Zane. Zane has paid his 84 and we've got a new bill, and we can update B's and refresh and see that all 3 have gone pink. And now the bill is complete and we can go ahead and delete it, and it will delete it without getting rid of the AJAX, without refreshing the page. So if we sign back into Zane's account, password 1, we sign in, we see that B has paid £24 and A has paid £12 for their bill. And if we scroll down, we can see all 3 are pink, and we can go ahead and delete the bill. And I have a nice additional feature here, which is the recent transactions section. So the last 5 transactions that have happened is, well, we haven't filled it up with many transactions yet, but so far it's A has paid £12 for water bill and B has paid £24 for water bill. And obviously as the transactions pile up, it'll just show you the snippet of the last 5 just for your own sake, just so you can go and look back in your log history. And obviously if you refresh the page, the flash messages disappear, and you can repeat the process and dynamically choose how much you want to send people due to the share percentage that I have, and split the bill with them depending on whatever bill you send them. And that is my coursework completed.